Coming to the mat now at 174 pounds, it'll be Derek Geiges from Oklahoma. Redshirt junior out of Charleston, South Carolina. Been put into action at a couple weights this year. He's taken on Mark Martin from Ohio State, ranked 11th in the nation. Martin out of Strongsville, Ohio. We're talking about wrestling factories, about Brandon. Wrestling factory where Martin comes from is a school by the name of St. Edward. Tons and tons of NCAA qualifiers and All-Americans and national champions from St. Edward. Cleveland area, Lakewood, Ohio, and Geiges going to get in on the shot. Trying to finish. Martin going to try to fight this position and kick out. Oklahoma coach is wanting stalling on that as now he's off the mat. And Martin has seen limited action here this weekend. And you'll notice his left knee heavily taped. And the argument the Oklahoma coaches are making is if you're fleeing the mat away from a takedown, that should be stalling. I can't really disagree with their opinion of that particular sequence. But again, there's a reason we're in the booth and not wearing stripes.
Team score, Minnesota 17.
Seventh match out of 10 as we're at 174 pounds. Geiges is state champion in high school. Martin, a two-time state champ in Ohio. And as far as we know, Mark Martin not a NASCAR fan. 43 seconds remaining. As we're still in the neutral position here in the first period.
Nationally ranked All-American Logan Storley wrestling for Minnesota on mat number 1.
And Geiges with the head fake. And Martin just going to be content to hang on the front headlock. So we'll end the first period scoreless. Geiges will defer position, and Martin's going to start neutral. Martin in on the shot. Geiges trying to counter. Trying to defend rather than counter. Martin going to come around. Around the hips. Going to have to turn in. Got to break that locking. Does so, and he gets the 2-point takedown to take a 2-0 lead. Martin hanging on with a tight waist to the far side. Claw ride to the left. .47 seconds to go in second period. 2-0 lead for Martin, 37 seconds on the riding time. Martin really not doing a whole lot to try to turn Geiges here. Just maintaining control and position with a decent ride. Geiges really hasn't done a whole lot to try to get up and out. Short sit situation in short time. Not going to be enough time for Geiges to get the escape. And so Geiges is going to start the third period neutral. So both of our periods have started in the neutral position. At least where there's been choice. If you want to get actually literal, all three periods have started in the neutral position, but one always starts that way. Riding time at 1:22, so Geiges is going to have to get a takedown and ride Martin for at least 23 seconds to erase it without giving up an escape. And through the first 5 minutes and change, haven't seen too many offensive opportunities from Geiges. Here with a minute to go. Good penetration there, but he just forgot to grab the leg. 40 seconds to go. Still a 2-0 lead for Martin with riding time. That riding time about 13 seconds away from being locked up. 17-7 is the team score. And we'll get a fresh start with 25 seconds remaining. .22 to go here in the third and final period. And with the riding time, final score, Mark Martin of Ohio State will pick up a 3-0 victory at 174 pounds. Will extend the Buckeyes' lead to 20-7 after that victory at 174.